to 5 Minutes of Fantech. Today, we're going to be working with Travis Brungardt of Catalyst Construction to do a Hero HS300 installation. Take it away, Travis.
Okay, we're going to install the Hero HS300 today. This is a whole house filtration unit that we're going to mount on the side of our return here. There are two mounting options. You can either use the 8-inch round takeoffs and mount the unit separately from the return and then duct it into the return to take out the stale air and run it through the HEPA filter and then put that fresh filtered air back into the system. Or you can do as we're going to do and utilize a direct mount application where the Hero itself will be mounted to the side of the return. So we're going to use the template provided, read the instructions and follow them to mount this unit onto this return and provide HEPA filtered air to the house. Step one in our step-by-step instructions is preparing the return air plenum. So of course we're going to want to find a location that suits us. In our application, this is a mechanical room that could eventually have more of a finished space to it. So we're trying to keep things as compact as we can. We also have to accommodate for the ERV, the fresh air appliance that we're going to mount on the other side, which will have some 6-inch ductwork on this side of the plenum. So we're going to apply that template to this face of the return and cut some openings, hang a bracket, mount the Hero, we'll get it plugged in, and then the HEPA filtration can get up and running. Find the location that satisfies both service and maintenance requirements and proceed to cut the holes as illustrated below. We've cut them in the template, so now we want to put the template on the return and mark that out. Cut opening with metal shears, pre-drill for securing screws, and remove template. Our next step, remove the door and filters and proceed to cut the insulation as illustrated below. What they're talking about, there's a white foam backing in here that we need to cut away so that when we create these openings, it's a clear shot. And because this is an EPS type foam, an expanded polystyrene, we don't want any of the foam pellets to be part of our air quality, so we'll clean all that out as well. Tabs are cut. Apply plenum seal tape around both openings on the back of the unit and bend tabs outward approximately 90 degrees. Our next steps would be to mount the HEPA unit. So we're going to align it in place. We'll unfold the duct flanges to sandwich it into place, and then we can use the supplied fasteners. Next steps, remove the plastic covers from the filters and replace them. Place the door, insert the power cord, and now it's just up to operations. You can see the manufacturer is providing two filters, so a pre-filter and then the HEPA filter itself. The HEPA filter is marked with directionality for the homeowner to make sure they're installing it in the right direction. And that's true of the pre-filter as well. Okay, so we've completed our install. Everything is secured with the screws per manufacturer. We're going to go ahead and open the door. I actually just did vacuum this out one more time to be sure. We're going to connect power, but first let's go ahead and install our filters. So you can see with our arrow pointing down, we match the arrow pointing down. This is the pre-filter. And again, we're pulling air out of the return and supplying it to the unit. So this this filter is going to go on the top. Slide that into the track all the way. Again, after vacuuming out the unit so that you don't have any extraneous foam particle in there. And then the same with the HEPA filter, which does, again, have a direction of flow indicated. Again, our airflow is down and through. So we have a fan mounted here in the middle. We have some control switching, and then the filters are the last piece of the puzzle. Air directionality is matching. That's your door switch, so if the door is open, it won't operate. Once again, you want to make sure we haven't added any dust to the system. Close that up. That depresses the switch so that it's ready to actuate. That's latched. That concludes our installation process. Once we've got it plugged in and up and running, the Hero HS300 does have some operation instructions here. So your general operating information, you want to leave this here for your homeowner. Great unit from Fantech, the HS300 Hero.
Thanks, Travis. The Hero HS300 really is a great addition to their ventilation system. Well, that's all the time we have on 5 Minutes of Fantech. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.